All right, today we're going to use Redlet to build your own stock tracker. Just another example to follow up on yesterday's example. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow this Alphabet stock, Google stock. So this is on Yahoo Finance. So what we're going to do is we're going to go pick this prompt. I want to input a stock symbol and get a summary of financial data. Give me a table and a chart tracking the stock price and other financial information. Use data from Yahoo Finance. Let me download the table as a CSV. So as you can see, if the service has APIs, this thing can go and find them for you. So we'll start this. Okay, so it's thinking. So think about any website that has a data API, potentially. Let's not add anything advanced today because I just want to make this quick. But any website that has APIs to get back in data, sports data, betting data, anything, you could probably use this. But also this could be, just a useful tool to put on your website. The cool thing about this is all these files that are being created here, you have the source code too. You can download these. You can also go into these files and edit the source code. Now, I'm not a programmer, so I'm not going to do any of that. But I have found, if you want to update titles and stuff, you can sort of go through and find where they are and just update them without having to go through the bot, which can be quite annoying. Is the stock data visualization app working correctly? Here we go. So there we go. The charts and download the CSV file. So if I wanted to grab the Google, which is this one, press enter to apply. There we go. If I want to, I could download the CSV file here. So as you can see, I've just built a stock app of data. Now, add another block so I can add the ability to add a second stock and compare all the metrics in the display information. Now I'm doing this at a risk because this is working quite well. Now the next step is, once I've got this working, I can actually just deploy this to a server. It'll cost you about 0.008 of a cent an hour to run, and you can put this on your website. So basically any API based stuff you can just do, and you can change this stuff. All right. Okay. Okay, Apple. All right, let's just put Google in there, press enter, Alphabet, Apple, Alphabet. There's the various stock prices in a comparison, showing a folder. There's all the data. So it's downloaded that. How cool is that? Check it out and get on it.